Yo, what up YouTube Ex? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video. You already know the deal, let's move this out the way. Y'all know I got this mouse right here, but we also got this mouse right here, which is my new one right here. Let's pop it on the dock real quick, put it over to the side if you guys don't know. I unboxed this the other day, so as you can see, it's on the dock. Everything's plugged in right there. So got it on the dock. Let's move that over real quick. So that being said, let's bring over the item at hand. And I forgot to take off a sticker, so I just have to remove that off. Okay, there we go. So you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit, which is not a box, it's a bag. So let's just put it right there. Get this out of the way. And this is what we got right here. So if y'all don't know what this is a hub, an ARGB hub for fans. Basically, it's for the fans for your computer, which is ARGB fans, which uses the 5-volt, which is the ARGB. So basically it plugs into your J rainbow port, which is the 3-pin. So I'm gonna show you basically what you get with this thing right here. I also ordered the Razer Chromo dresser sending something like that. So this is basically what you get right here. Get that, which is this right here. You get the cords for SATA. And this go to the motherboard, as you can see right here, and some Velcro right there. I'm not gonna install this until tomorrow, but I do need this because I have a lot of RGBs in there, and basically I got it like daisy chained towards multiple things, and I can't get the way how I want everything like that. So basically, here's the 5 volts right here. So basically, you put your fans, your RGB parts right here. Then you put the fans right here, which is the palm. That you connect towards the CPU part of it, or the system fans like that. And then you have the SATA. Then you have another part right here that kind of look like it's broken. That kind of look kind of funky right there, the way how that is. I don't know. So I know this part goes right. Let's see. Okay, this is for SATA, so most likely this goes over here. There, just not going all the way in. There we go. Then this part connects towards here. Maybe, I don't know, this part right here. That goes to here, I believe. Let's see, that's a 4-pin. There we go. Connects like that. Then this goes to, I believe, the motherboard, and this goes to the motherboard also right there. Connect it, SATA for power, and you plug everything in right there, and you go from it like that. So I'm gonna plug this in tomorrow when I get the rest of the stuff, and I'll go from there, and I'll catch you guys later. I'll put the link in the description what this is. This is the AsiaHorse, what is it, the AsiaHorse hub. I'll put the links in the description, as you can see right here. Just dropped it out my hands. As you can see right there, AsiaHorse. As you can see right there. So it's right here. LEDs. Got your fans right there. So yeah. So I'll catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.